So, guys, maglalaro ako ulit. No, that's not my Roblox. Next. Okay. Hello. Jade Orange Man. Okay, you can go. Next. Hi. Bakit ka po ito? Excuse me. Yeah. No, you're not saying much. Dang it. Copy. Then I just had a Please answer. Please answer. Okay, I can't talk. Okay, okay. Okay. Ay. Oh, wow.
Yes, Ed. Para may usapan mo na ko. Ay, abing mo. Bibigyan din yan. What? Opo, tayo marinig na. Yeah?
Iba guys eh. Ang mukha. Hi. Builderman. David. Where's your, yes. Oh, ID pala. Okay. David Builderman. No, you're not look same. Ngayon yung mukha niya. Hindi siya magkaparehas. Guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, hi. Okay, next. You again. Okay ka lang. Okay, number... Next. Hi. Love cats. Next, please. Hi. Bilderman. David Bilderman. Okay, you can go. Next. You again. You can go. Next. Hi, Noob. Noob.
Yasin,
Apa?
akin na yan.
Bakit?
Akin na.
Wait lang guys ah. Kunin ko lang kasi. Sa part 2 na guys.